Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the INNSIDE Frankfurt Ostend. I've been given room 602 on the 6th floor. So here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That's the floor plan. As you enter the room, on this side you have your climate control panel for this area. Slot to insert the key card for the room's power, light switch, and the switches for the blinds for the windows. Down there is a plug. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here is the dining table with a welcome gift, I guess you could say that. Not too sure what it is. But right here, some drawers, place to put your luggage, some hooks, some hangers to hang clothes on and stuff. More storage above. Right here is the mini bar, which is free. In-room safe. Pantry area below with your tea, coffee, mugs and whatnot. A kettle. Coffee machine. Some glasses and the in-room dining menu. Some advertisement. But to the right, as you enter the room, is a flat screen LG TV. The living room area. Obviously, you have your sofa and coffee table. This is actually quite a nice view out. It is dark, so I can't show you much. As always, I'll show you the view in the morning. But that's the road in front of the hotel. That is the European Central Bank right there. But yeah, you get a better view in the morning. There is a light right there. And right here is the bedroom. With the bed, does look quite comfy. Right here is the climate control panel for the bedroom. Light switches. The bathroom. There is a sliding door right there for privacy. Shower area. A hook. Not too sure what this is, but it could be the underfloor heating. Behind this door is the toilet. The bathtub. Dual sinks with storage below, and obviously there is a huge mirror. Hello. Right here is another flat screen LG TV. So this is the view out of the bedroom window the next day. You can see Frankfurt's skyline in the distance, but it is quite a nice view as well. You have the block of flats right next to the hotel. And the road in front of the hotel below. But if we go to the living room, and there is another door right here with pretty similar views. But I think the best view would be out of this door slash window, whatever you want to call it. Because you can still see Frankfurt's skyline, but you can also see the European Central Bank. And more roads in front of the hotel. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 602 at the INNSIDE by Emilia, Frankfurt Ostend. Thanks for watching and goodbye.